You got your first roundabout. So I need you to squeeze your brakes, go in slow, and you want to go up to the yield sign. Your yield or slowdown doesn't start till you're up there. Go all the way up. Squeeze the brakes. You want to look and check. You want a gap. And you're just waiting and checking traffic, and when it's clear, I'm letting you choose. Go get it. Go in and follow the road around to the left. Turn slow. Don't turn fast because this car has a lot of instant torque steer. Good. You're okay. I want you to go that way. That's okay. Go straight. Go straight through, and we'll make a right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It happens. Turn on right turn signal. At the street, make a right turn. That's okay. That's okay. And that's part of learning how to drive, is making mistakes. Make a right turn on this street. Slow us down. Squeeze the brake. You see the salt there, you know we're about to slide and spin out. Squeeze that brake. Go slower. Turn. I need you to make a left turn in this driveway. Slow. Turn. Slow. You're kind of turning too fast. See? You want to spin out, don't you? Reverse. Cover your brake. It's okay. This car's fast. Put us in reverse. No gas. Let it roll back. Yes. Now turn to the right. You're right. Yes. Keep turning. That's it. Stop us here. Now put it in D. D for drive. Good. Go up to the stop sign and make a left. You're still getting used to this car. This car will love to put you in the ditch. I will kill you. I will kill you. So this car has a mind of its own. Turn on left turn signal. But all beginners need to drive different cars. Go up, check, make, we'll wait, because we know this car has torque steer. It will spin the tires. So you gotta be extra careful. And we're just waiting. Just be patient. Take all the time you want. Go up, make your left. Nice. Turn slow. Yes. Go up to the roundabout. And then you're gonna go in and you're gonna make a left. Okay, we have to go down 25-mile road.
Okay, so now we did what I did there.
Yes, 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 yes. Turn on left turn signal. And you should always use your blinker to let people know what you're going. I did some research, and a lot of people don't do that. So take your time, go up, squeeze, go up more, pause. Once they go by, okay, go in, and you're gonna go in and around to the left. Squeeze your brake, turn. Nice, keep going. Yep, keep going. Around to the left. There you go. Go get that money, because you're gonna need money. Follow white vehicle. Go get it. That was beautiful, brother. You're gonna make those small micro mistakes. You're